What kind of animal takes on a king cobra and wins? Meet the mongoose. Small, fast, and shockingly fearless. When this venomous cobra rises to strike, most animals run. But the mongoose? It goes straight for the head. Immune to venom, lightning reflexes, killer instinct. This isn't just a fight. It's a survival showdown millions of years in the making. Who wins when fangs meet fury? Watch till the end to find out. Don't forget to like, follow, and comment. Snake, mongoose, or cobra? Who's the real king of the wild?